What's up, quarantine people? Self-portrait at home while in quarantine. So here we are, another day, another video. Today we're going through portrait and some ideas that I had to take some portraits at home while in quarantine, because we're all home, we're all bored. So let's not waste any time and let's get into it. First thing first, let's go in the shower. I'm now in the shower. I don't know if you can hear me. I don't know if I'm focused, but basically all I'm gonna do, I set my focus to my shower thing. And obviously if you put some water here, like here, it's gonna be so much better, but I don't have enough reflection in this bathroom, so it's not gonna work with the water. So instead, I'm just gonna put my hand here and kind of do something like this, like. So next one up is the table shot. So I'm gonna be laying on the table right here. I'm gonna put my camera on the tripod and balance the tripod like this. So the camera will be looking down towards the table and my head's gonna be here, and hopefully I can get a cool portrait with some really like shallow depth of field. So I'm actually on my iPhone right now just to show you what the situation is, because it's hilarious. Look at this. So this is my tripod, this is my camera. I'm gonna put my head right here, and this is how it is. So the tripod is balanced on here, and then the chair keeps the tripod from falling down. Let's see if this turns out. So as you probably just saw, I decided to actually go for a different kind of vibe for this shot, because I was too close, my lens was too wide. So I had a 24mm and I was too close to the lens and my face was just like that. So instead, what I did, I put the minimum focus distance, which for this lens is like here. So it's super nice. And then I put my eyes really close to the lens and I took some photos, and then I cropped the sensor, because if you have a Sony, you can actually crop the sensor to go closer. So I cropped the sensor to 12 megapixel and I went really close to my eye, kind of a macro shot. I think it came out pretty good. So the next one, it's a big surprise. What's up, guys? Guess what? Don't open. You're in the fridge. I'm not. So one thing that we all do during this quarantine is literally open the fridge and snack all day. So I thought it would be funny to just take a photo of me opening the fridge with the camera in the fridge. Let's do it. So I just want to touch down a couple of arguments that people are going to say. It's like, oh, I don't have a tripod, or I don't have a fisheye lens. Just use whatever you want. You can use the iPhone. Literally, set up your iPhone, 10-second timer, and you can create photos with everything you want. Use books. I always use books as tripod when I don't have a tripod. Or just get creative, just like put your camera in the fridge, you know? Back on the iPhone cam, mainly because I can't really record right now, because my camera is laying on the floor. Let me show you what this looks like. Sorry about the audio. So we got our camera here in the frame, and we'll look up to me standing over there, and hopefully it's gonna look good. But this is on test. I'm at f4 with my 85 lens, so I'm basically just gonna get a nice portrait. I don't even know if I'm in focus right now, but the next one is actually laying on the floor, looking up, or like looking on the side, something like this. Could be a really cool perspective, or you can do something like reaching out for the camera, trying to, I don't know, some like perspective kind of stuff. So let's see how this looks right now. This next photo is a slow shutter photo. So what you're gonna do is take your camera, crack down your shutter speed to about 1/5 of a second. 1/5 of a second? 1/5 of a second. And basically what that does, everything you move is gonna come out blurred. So just play around with the shutter speed and your aperture, and you definitely need one of these guys, which is a variable ND filter or just an ND filter, so you can crack down your shutter and shoot during the full daylight like now. So you've probably seen this before, which is reflection in a mirror. In fact, it's much better. Reflection in a mirror. Am I too high? Am I too low? Low, 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 low. Reflection in a mirror, basically just take a mirror and take a photo of yourself through the mirror, but let me show you what I mean by that. That is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're gonna use these tricks and try and do some home photo shoots. Please do tag me on Instagram if you do any, and I'll repost them in my stories and you know, all that stuff. Leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe as always, and I will see you guys really soon. And I hope you enjoyed this little like VFX. I'm putting a little bit of Easter eggs in each video, so look out for Easter eggs, because maybe I'm giving you signs of something, or maybe not. I guess we never know. Will we?